Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize with Twilio for SMS automation access, detailed guide step by step clearly. Create a Twilio account by visiting the Twilio website. Click on the sign up button and fill in the required information. Verify your email address by clicking on the link sent to your inbox. Once verified, log in to your Twilio account. Navigate to the Twilio console once you are logged in. Locate the account SID and auth token on your dashboard. These credentials will be needed for authorization purposes. To ensure security, keep your auth token confidential. Next, go to the phone numbers section in the console. Click on Get a Number to purchase a Twilio phone number for SMS. Choose your desired number based on country or features. After obtaining your number, navigate to the messaging section. In the messaging settings, you will find options for configuring your SMS capabilities. Now, obtain the API documentation provided by Twilio. Review the API documentation to understand the required endpoints for SMS. Using a coding language of your choice, set up a basic script for sending SMS. Integrate the account SID and auth token into your script. Ensure to handle any exceptions that may arise during the API call. Add your Twilio phone number and the recipient's phone number in the script parameters. Test the script by executing it to send a sample SMS. Check your Twilio console dashboard for the message status. Monitor the logs for any errors or successful deliveries. Adjust your script as needed based on any feedback or issues encountered. Finally, implement additional features for automation as per your requirements. Keep documentation of your code and any changes made for future reference. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.